Want to create a cinematic video from just one sentence? With music, sound effects, even voiceovers, all done by AI? Well, Google just released something crazy. It's called VEO3, and in this video, I'll show you how to access it for free. No tricks, no hacks. VEO3 is Google's newest and most powerful AI video generation tool. You just type one sentence and it creates a full cinematic short film, complete with music, sound design, visuals, even dialogue. And right now, you can use it for free. All you have to do is sign up for the Google One AI student offer. Use this link. Once you're in, you get full access to Gemini Advanced, Google VEO 3, Notebook Lesson, and a bunch of other pro AI tools on my LMM, all for free. Let me show you how it works. I'll type, a space warrior lands on an unknown planet. And here's what it generated. Pro tip, the more detailed your prompt, the better the results. Mention the lighting, emotion, setting, style, and you'll get amazing cinematic output. Use Gemini to help you write better